Hello, good day friend. My name is Ajinder and today I'll be showing you how you'll be applying for your GOC endorsement. In my previous video, I've shown you how to renew GOC booklet. So once you have renewed your GOC booklet or once you have got your GOC booklet, then you can apply for GOC endorsement. For GOC endorsement, the steps are different. In this, you don't have to go in Saral Sanchar, you have to go in DG shipping website. So I'll show you how you can apply for GOC endorsement. So it's suitable for you to use Firefox, because Chrome sometimes it does not open the DG website. So better you download Firefox in your laptop or any tab you have. Then once you click on Firefox, you click on DG shipping login, or you can type DG shipping login and click on that. So once you click on, then the window comes Seafarer registration, and then click on Seafarer registration. So your endorse number, so you type your endorse number and password you must be having. So type your password, logged in. So this is a window which appears. Now you read this page, and once you see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh line that show DC endorsement GMDSS radio operator, then click on that. So once you click on that, again a new window comes with heading called services for seafarers nautical. So in that, if you go in second last line, that is application for GMDSS radio operator. So click on GMDSS radio operator, and these are the step by step. You have person detail, you have address, you have sea service detail, you have fees details, and then you have to attach your documents. So I'll fill the form and I'll show you how the form looks like. In this personal details you already been filled, so you just check it one time. Okay, there is any mistake, you then edit it. And then is application detail. In application detail, I'll show office applied my was Chennai. I have applied MMD Chennai. Application type is noise renewal. If it's new for you, then you select new, and then place of examination for Chennai. Date of examination I have written 21st October, and then GOC booklet number is this, and then GOC booklet issue. So my issue just now, so I have written 9 March 2026, and valid date I have put till when is your booklet expiring. Certificate number, this you will get from GMDSS endorsement certificate. So it will be like this, GMDS, it will be in the middle, so they will be written in the certificate number. So you write this, and in issue date of that certificate and expiry date of that certificate. Now your grade, you can write whatever grade you have, master, chief officer, second officer. Okay, and then COC number you can write, and then issue date same, and then medical fitness certificate for sea service you can write wherever you have done medical or your previous medical. Put the certificate name, your number, and then continue. So once you continue it, then it will be your address in which your certificate will be coming. So you write according your certificates where you will be available, and then you can put your sea service detail. So after 2021 March 2021 to 2025, you can add the your sea time. After that, till now you can add, and then after once you have finished it, then you can go fees details. Now fees detail will be 3000, so we can continue it. I'll generate application number. Okay, so I'll click I agree on this. So I'll generate once cannot be modified. Do you want to submit the application? Okay, so this is the application which is generated after submitting your all the details, and in this you have to sign it, you have to put the place, and after that you have to save it in file manager. And after your payment, then you have to submit this document with along with other documents. So I'll continue it. So after that, it's showing net banking, credit, debit card. So if I will do net banking, So after submitting my fees, I'll again click on this red option, pay for COC. The window will open, and in this it will show only that your fees is paid, and this page comes. I'll suggest you that you please make the file according, or save the file in file manager or photos in photo section, so it will be very easy for you in uploading one by one document. Also name them before as mentioned in the screen, so it will be very easy for you. And in this there will be no error of misplacing the documents or changing the sequence get changed sometime. So the best option is this only. All the requirements is shown, how you have to load the photograph, and what will be the criteria for it is mentioned in the yellow screen below. So you upload the documents accordingly, and after you have uploaded, and then you have to submit the documents or upload the documents. So once you have submitted your all the documents correctly with sequence wise, then you can check the status in DigiShipping website, and you can again type your ID, your password, and then log in. Once you log in, then you go in a column of GOC, and once you click on GOC, then this is the status, and then you can click on the red one, that is. Now you can check here that your status is showing approved. That means your all the documents has been approved by MMD. I have selected MMD Chennai because I have given exam from MMD Chennai only. So once it is approved, that means that now next status will be your dispatch. So you will be receiving on the address you have typed before. So this is all. I'll show you how the status looks when your GOC has been delivered. After my all the documents been submitted, and my status was approved, so now I was waiting for the next status, that was key when it will be dispatched. So I again went to the Firefox and again clicked on Dixie endorsement GMDC radio operator, then click on pay COC and COP fees, and now I can see application status approved as it was before. But now in remark you can see this certificate dispatched by post on 9th April 2026. That means they have already issued me the certificate and they have already sent it to my address. So this was all about the GOC renewal. This was the last step. So once you get this remark, you can use your tracking number to track where your certificates is received. Mainly if it's coming through a speed post, it will take 3 to 4 days to come. And this was all of about GOC renewal. So if you find this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe for more information, and if you have any doubts you can comment here. Thank you.